Hi everyone, welcome to Rosie's Dessert Spot. Today I'll be demonstrating how to create a multicolored stripe cake using a frosting comb. This video is in collaboration with My Dream Cake. You can find all of the tools used here today at the My Dream Cake website listed in our bio and in the description. I am going to create a finish in buttercream frosting. I haven't colored this anything, so it's just straight up white, and we are creating a nice thick layer on a pre-crumb coated cake. This is the frosting comb that we're going to be using. It has square teeth in it. It's basically called a striped comb. We're going to go around and fill in any pockets as you go until you have a completely smooth finish. It doesn't matter if you can see the crumb in between the indented lines, that will get covered up later, so no stress. As long as the little stripes that are pointing out are nice and long and neat. Place it into the freezer, very important. Keep it there for about half an hour and then fill in those indented spaces with your desired colors. I am going to be filling in nice and thick, and no stress if it comes up and above the line of the raised indentation. We are going to be smoothing it out and removing a whole heap of buttercream. Notice how I'm holding my scraper and making sure that's at a right angle with the cake. What this does is it scratches the surface rather than smooths. And what we're trying to do here is scratch as much of that buttercream off. If you were to smooth it, the colors would start to blend, and so that's why you want to go on slowly. Here towards the end, I'm only making really short swipes before I quickly remove this smoother and then take off the excess buttercream before I go on again. The key here is to add just a little bit of pressure. You want to scratch off a little bit of buttercream at a time. And then if it does look a little bit dotted, you can use a nice hot metal spatula, go around the cake very slowly to smooth out that finish. Once that's done, you can apply a drip. This is a dark blue turquoisey looking drip with gel food colors, and I'll have those listed in the description box. Give it a good shake after you create a nice puddle, stopping about 1 centimeter away from the edge. By shaking it, it helps that ganache to kind of settle and spread to the edges, and from there I'll add my little drips. Allow that to set in your fridge for 15 to 20 minutes and then add in some piping. I'm going to be using the leftover buttercream from before, and by adding them all into the piping bag, you get this really fun multicolored star kind of dollop. And we've used a 6B piping tip here. Your cake is done. You can add a little topper if you like. I've got this fun happy birthday topper, and your cake is complete. Thank you for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. And again, you can find all of the materials used today at the My Dream Cake website listed in the description box and linked in our bio. If you do recreate this, we would love to see it. Hashtag Rosie's Dessert Spot and hashtag My Dream Cake so we can check it out. And we'll catch you again in the next one.